So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in data usage overview. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on data usage. And now you want to check out if you have any applications that are using up a lot of data that you don't actually use. You could either uninstall them or you could just disable them if they start on startup. So if you see any applications that take up a lot of data that you don't actually use, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then you can uninstall it through here. You could also head over to search again and type in task manager. Click on it. And then click on startup apps. And if you see any applications that you think are using up a lot of data, these are the apps that start up when your computer turns on. So if you do not want them to turn on, you want to click on the application and then click on disable. And then the status will change to disabled. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in allow downloading maps over meter connections. Click on it. And you want to make sure that meter connection, download maps over meter connections has been turned off. Now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, you want to double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. You want to make sure that use the phone with your necessary address has been selected. You want to make the first line 8888, and you want to make the second line 8844, and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer, and then your upload and download speed will be much faster.